Exact entry prices, both long and short, are now available at RBAMResearch.com. Exact entry prices updated by 7 a.m. every weekday morning. We decided to build training systems that work just like a factory. We input the raw data and get out exact entry prices. No analyzing, no reading, no studying, no review of indicators. By 7 a.m. every weekday morning, we have exact entry prices for over 190 stocks, major Forex pairs, the most liquid futures contracts, and the biggest cryptocurrencies. On the screen now, you'll see scrolling down just a sample of our stocks. The S&P 500 futures listed both long and short with their respective holding periods. You have crude oil futures, both long and short, gold futures, both long and short, treasury bonds futures, both long and short, and we have a whole selection of the major cash currencies, again both long and short. And finally at the bottom we have Bitcoin crypto, again both long and short. Each day you're going to find either a short or a long position for everything, but the stocks will be long only. If you want to get all these plus more, you can come by our website at RBAMResearch.com. Again, everything's updated by 7 a.m. Monday through Friday. 190 plus stocks, the major currencies, crypto, S&P 500, crude oil, gold, and treasury bond futures. It's free to join, no credit card required, RBAMResearch.com. If you like this video and want to see some more prices every day, hit the like button and please subscribe. And always keep in mind, nothing takes the place of your own independent judgment. All these prices are listed for entertainment purposes only. Again, that's RBAMResearch.com.